and welcome on our booth here. Could you please tell us your name, your function, the company you represent, and the area of expertise?
Yes, thank you very much. My name is Robin and I'm a research and development engineer for Flexous. Flexous is a horology technology supplier and we develop and design compliant mechanisms to replace or as an alternative for key components in mechanical watches.
Could you kind of summarize what is compliant mechanics?
Yes, good question. Of course, it's not known to everyone. What we do is we use flexures to transmit forces and motion instead of conventional components such as gears. And the large benefit of this is that we can drastically reduce the amount of parts that we need to make a mechanism or a component. For instance, we are working on a regulator, and a traditional regulator exists out of approximately 26 different parts. You have a hairspring, the balance wheel, pallet fork, and we can combine all these different parts into one monolithic design.
And how many people are you now currently in the company?
Yeah, so we are quite rapidly growing over the last year. I think we're about 30 people right now, so it's really nice.
And you've already been here at the EPHG. Do you see an evolution of the people that you meet here in their understanding of what you're proposing?
Compared to the last time that we were here? Yeah, it's really nice actually. Also for us to be here again. I saw the video that we made 3 years ago, and we really envisioned that we would have a component in a working movement of one of our clients. And we can happily share that that's actually worked out. So last year we launched together with Frédéric Constant, our client, the oscillator in their slimline, which is just really nice to be able to grow like that.
So have you met some interesting prospects here, and what kind?
Yeah, actually on a lot of different prospects. Part of manufacturing, we see that we can maybe cooperate with other companies, but also in terms of meeting new clients that we can make parts for. So yeah, there's a lot of interesting things to see here and interesting people to meet.
And coming back to your organization, I mean, you have like a R&D department, but you also have like a production department. Can you explain us a little bit about that?
Yes, this is one of the things that we actually also have grown in over the last couple of years. Besides that, we're really into the research and development, modeling our components. We are also doing part of the production. So together with our production partners, we also have in-house knowledge on how to create these parts at different facilities. So in the Netherlands, but also in Switzerland. Which allows us to produce the parts for our clients.
And speed up the process, I guess.
Speed up the process, indeed. Get out the middleman.
Okay. And how do you see the future of this technology and its implementation within the watchmaking industry or other industries?
Yeah, for now we have successfully implemented our oscillator in the movement of Frédéric Constant. And of course we would just really like to also give an alternative for other components. So for instance, automatic winding, but there are of course a lot more components in a watch. And we envision a future where we can create something for all of these parts.
And have you met people here that have given you ideas or thoughts that maybe you didn't have before?
Yeah. So yesterday we met someone. He was coming at the stand and he said, "Oh, I'm not in the watch industry, but we make luxury bags." And he said, "Maybe we can work together to make a lock for these bags." And I thought, oh, that's so interesting that people see our technology, they see the flexible mechanisms, and even if they're not directly in the watch industry, they would like to look for a way to be able to apply it. That just really gives me a lot of energy.
Excellent. Coming back also on the technology, what kind of materials are you using?
So for now we're mostly focusing on silicon, silicium, because we have a good manufacturing method for this. We do micro fabrication and we can get very accurate parts by using this. So it has many benefits for us.
And other materials would be available? Or?
Yeah, of course, we're always open to use other materials, and of course also other parts within a watch may ask for other materials for the material characteristics. So we're always investigating these opportunities, but the main focus for now is on silicon.
Okay, well thank you very much for your time, and best of luck for the future for you guys.
Thank you very much, it was nice to be here.
Thank you.